Sorry, relax, but most importantly, stand still. Have you ever noticed what happens when you let your mind go blank? When we are left alone with our thoughts, the mind has a peculiar way of wandering. Our thoughts spiral. Our heads become too busy, too loud, a cacophony that drowns out reason. We become lost in the noise and all we can see is darkness. An overwhelming void that consumes everything. Darkness can be scary at first. It can take many forms. It can be anything, until we realize we can control it. We become the masters of our own darkness. From the darkness we start to see glimpses of clarity. Clarity is a double-edged sword. As the mind grasps at this fleeting light, patterns begin to form. What was once madness now appears as a dark, profound understanding. But clarity, like many things in life, is subjective. What we see as truth can be a delusion. In the end, our minds become a blank canvas. A canvas for our fears, our desires, our deepest, darkest thoughts. We paint with the colors of our emotion. What emerges can be beautiful, terrifying, or utterly insane.
Ah.
ver mais. Posso ver? Vira. Vira.
Sorry, who do you think